Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussed to part 13 Human Resource in Laravel 10. Already this my channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. New video notification never missing. This playlist inside 29 video already uploaded this Human Resource in Laravel 10. Let's start this video. First of all, this my gem server already started Apache and MySQL I started. This close this. In this my gem server inside htdoc folder inside this project name means SR. This latest version Laravel. Let's open this Sublime text editor. Successfully my text editor open. In your text editor open this env files open env file this SR database name. Let's run localhost php my admin. This PHP version 8.1.2 and this Laravel framework is latest version 10. Let's SR database name check. This database name is this SR. This project name this open this project name htdoc inside SR. This run project localhost SR. Successfully good working this login screen. Inside this user table open. In this copy this email and paste here. One password 123456789. This successfully show this password successfully login and this country click this. This export button set this Excel create a date and start date. This successfully step by step set this email and this SR means 1, employee means 0, this login means SR, this hello means SR successfully login. Let's step by step this file open this country file, resource inside view inside backend inside this country folder inside this list file. Successfully open this file inside this created date and end date add this step by step. This download Excel, this start date and end date select. Let's step by step set. Copy this and paste here. This from date means start date. This is date speaker in this start date successfully start date set and this value is start date and this placeholder is remove. Successfully paste holder remove. This copy and this paste here and this to date 2 means from 2. This end date add end date add and this copy and paste here. Successfully to change add. Let's check this start date inside this end date. Let's add this below this for number. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully to show this is big. This start date click this start date and end date. This to date this source record created date source record. Let's step by step set. Open this URL, copy this URL and web inside route find this route this country index file, country inside this country controller, backend inside country controller, this index function, this model country model, this step by step add this search box country model inside Let's if empty already request pass request get the start date and end empty request get this end date successfully set. This already creatable and paste here, and this name is reg country table. Copy this country table and paste here, and this created date. This open this country table and this created date. This copy this name and paste here. Paste here where condition second. This copy and paste here. Only name change, this change, and end date. end date successfully set, and this successfully set, and this inside this end date and start date. The start date and end date successfully set this created date site. Let's step by step say refresh this page. Select this date to inside today. This available this record to inside this search successfully to record available. This new order create this today. Country is Dubai. Resignation good work. Let's check. Refresh this date 3 and 7. Click this 6 date select. Inside this 8 date, inside 7 date available. This true record not found and single record found. This search successfully good working. This open this 2 inside this 4 5 search record and 2 records show. Inside 3 available this date good working. This reset button click this successfully set. Step by step export button set. Let's export button set. This list file open and this export button set. Inside this export button set. Let's refresh this page. This export button set. This export button set. From and this inside this add new button action URL admin. Copy this URL and paste here inside export. Method is get input text name is start date value show. This value add start date end date. This value show. Copy this and paste here, and this end date copy and paste here end date. And this a link copy, create this a link, search by save file and refresh this page. Successfully 2 box available. This 2 box. Let's select this 5 inside this 8 5 8 this inside 8 search successfully 8 5 and 8 good working this, and this value is hidden. Hidden means hide box. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully hidden good hidden this hidden add this a link add class btn success this excel export and this URL already create this URL create this copy this URL and paste this and start date is equal to dot this request start date add and end and date is equal to this dot this request end date successfully end date set the start date and end date set good working. Let's save file and refresh this page. This button successfully set and this br save file and this page successfully good working. This URL copy this get method. This method is get and web.php inside country inside new function create route get method this paste here and already create this controller paste here class country export copy this name country controller and new function create this new function create country controller and this paste here public function and this new paste here inside this request $request return excel download this new country export in this country dot xlx and save file and this excel add copy this excel and paste here and this excel add successfully excel add and this new country export inside this add already folder create this folder already create save file inside this new file create export this export inside this new file create this country export PSP successfully create this file is the blank only blank file. Let's step by step add successfully add this model name is changed this model name is country model all as it is set class this rename copy this name and paste here this all implement successfully implement. This already add all. In this public collection function in collection $new create request all return this, copy this name and paste here. Inside this, open this country model, open this get record, and this variable create in this paste here and save file. This protected $index is equal to 0 public function map new $user new variable create array and public function headings array inside return add, in this add return add, save file, all successfully set. Inside this user, inside this user, inside first id, this table id and save file, and this remove, save file, this table id, this table id, refresh this page, and this table id 1, 3 or 4, this reset button, click this, all record download, click this export, click this export in country.exe download. Let's open this. 3 record show 1, 3 or 5. This last state was 1, 3 or 5 record show. This table id good working. This close this file. Inside this search file 1 is equal to this 5. In this search record only 2 record show 1 and 3 export, and open this file 1 and 3 show good working. This without select in all record export and select this only show record good working. Let's step by step. This random id select plus $this index already add this index, this series number id, yes number, yes number id, copy paste, this name is this country name, and second name is already join query means already available this resignation name, and this created at format, and this variable copy this variable inside this variable paste here, this variable copy inside this paste is equal to date d my from time $user, this $user created date, created at, and successfully set. Copy this and paste here, and this country name, this country name, this region name, and this created date, this created at. Save file and refresh this page. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully refresh page, and this export, and click this. Successfully all show this table ID, this random 1 2 3 4, this Dubai pick and good work, all successfully set. Let's check this good working. 5 Dubai, good work, this 7 date, successfully set. PK India, all step by step set. This join query select set. This join query, let's close this, and this date format, this list file, open this list file, inside this date format copy SYM, and this export button set. Copy this and paste here, this update, copy name and this update, this variable select, and update, save file and refresh this page. This export, open this file, successfully available 5/3 Dubai, and this date all good, Dubai good work, and this 7/8 all successfully shared. This good, only 3 records show. This close this, and this find this 1 and 5 inches source, and this export in this 2 record. Open this file number, only 2 record show, this 2 record only show. Good working, only single record show, this 6 and 8 source, this single record source. Export, this successfully set. Good working, this file, and this reset button, click this, all export, 3 record export, this all export. Let's check 3 all export, and this wrong date select, this wrong date select, and search, and this record not found, and export, and click this, is the null, not a found record, is just null. Good working, this join query successfully set. Step by step all set, and this function already create this 29 video. Please check this 29 video. This join query already select. This model, this country controller, this add, and this add, and web route, and list file. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. And this joint query add. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.